So what I'm doing is, in my head, I'm getting out of trying to be too detailed, trying to start off a painting by painting a tree or painting the sky or whatever. So I put a very, very light wash on the top of a light blue for the sky. It's going to change. And now I'm just making marks. And as you can see, I'm using different tones. I'm using a really dark tone at the bottom. And that is a great base for building up layers because it means that you get incredible depth in your painting. I've made that colour with a mix of Prussian blue, ultramarine blue, and raw umber, and just fiddle around with the amount of each that you mix with. You will get a delicious dark teal. It can be a little bit more brown if you want it to be, but I love that dark teal. It's almost black. And it's a great, great tone colour for the painting that I'm doing, I think. It's a good foil to the green.